fuel consumption, the rate of change of the fuel consumption. When the car is traveling 50 miles per hour, its speed's rate of change is 20 miles per hour squared. This means that since fuel consumption is a function of s, and speed is a function of time, when we find what they're asking for, we're going to need to use the chain rule. Here we go. First, we have the derivative of 6 times the exponential function is just 6 times the exponential function, but multiplied by the derivative of this exponent, which is, using the power rule, 1/20th times s to the 0, so just 1/20th, but then times ds dt, minus 2 2400ths s to the 1 times ds dt. So there's a whole lot of chain rule going on. And now we can substitute in s equals 50 and ds dt equals 20. And then we'll know what f prime of s is when s is 50, because the car is traveling at 50. Here we go. So substituting 50 in for s here and there gives us this. Let's simplify it a little bit. And substituting in ds dt equals 20 right there. And s equals 50 right there. And ds dt is 20 right there. We get. And this is approximately equal to 4.299 miles per gallon. It's choice B.